If you're looking for a free digital audio workstation that's beginner friendly, GarageBand might just catch your eye. But does it really deliver on that promise, or are there hidden pitfalls? Let's dive into what GarageBand has to offer. GarageBand is Apple's go-to music creation software, and it's packed with features that can easily make it one of the best free digital audio workstations available. Right off the bat, the interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible for those who might be new to music production. You can easily record vocals, create beats, and even play virtual instruments. The software comes loaded with a variety of loops and samples, which can be a huge help for beginners trying to piece together their first track. One standout feature is the smart controls, which allows you to tweak your sound without needing a deep understanding of audio engineering. However, while it's great for basic projects, more advanced users might find it limiting over time. Additionally, if you're not in the Apple ecosystem, you won't have access to GarageBand as it's exclusive to macOS and iOS. Some users may also find the lack of third-party plugin support a bit frustrating, which could restrict your creative options. So, what are the strengths and weaknesses? On the plus side, GarageBand is incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners. The wide array of built-in sounds and loops can spark creativity without overwhelming you. It's also completely free, which is a big win for anyone starting out. However, the limitations start to show as you get more serious about music production. The lack of advanced features and third-party plugin support can be frustrating for those looking to grow their skills. Plus, if you're not an Apple user, you're out of luck, since it's not available on Windows or Android. Additionally, some users have noted that it can be a bit buggy at times, which might interrupt your creative flow. In conclusion, GarageBand is a fantastic starting point for anyone new to music production, especially if you're already in the Apple ecosystem. It offers enough features to get you going, but if you're aiming for a more professional sound down the line, you might want to explore other options. It's worth trying if you're just starting out.